Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and in this tutorial we'll be talking about granting out of privileges. Now, SOB Chinyere is actually the logged-in member of the school system and she happens to be a teacher, and we are going to be using her portfolio as SS2A math teacher to actually see how she can actually grant out privilege to other members of staff in the school system to help her to carry out her assignment, her work functions. Now, we click on this particular menu item, and when we click on it, we'll be presented with this interface, and on this navigation list we'll have a grant out privileges. Clicking on it, we'll be presented with this interface. This interface shows us that we cannot grant out privileges to other members of staff in the school system to help her to actually record assignments, tests, projects and exams of the students in her offers the subjects in her class. Now, how we can do this is this: if we click on in any of these expandable buttons, we have that we have to specify the account of the member of staff that will assist her in doing that particular task of recording assignments of the students in the class. Now, if we click on this, we can actually select any of them, like Umar. Somebody will, if we submit, automatically Umar somebody will have access to record the assignments of the students in her class in the SS2A. That's SS2A math assignment. Umar somebody can actually do that for her, since she has actually submitted these things to become a privilege granted out to Umar somebody. Now, on Umar somebody's account, when he logs in, he will have access to use this particular icon here to access the privilege that has been granted out to him, as for example in this case. Now, we can actually do that for tests. We can do that for tests and select any of them, like in Gunson. We can do that for projects. We can do that for exams, as the case may be. Then also she can access the privileges that she granted out previously and the one that are currently active on this platform. As we have clicked on these particular privileges, and we have that all, that is a tab. One is all, the other one active, non-active. On all, we have that this first one is still active, and it's possible that you can deactivate it and it will no longer be active. That is, one, since it is active, Chazodo Chamaka Gloria will be able to actually carry out these particular things or for on the behalf of Chinyere on what SS2A students that offer mathematics. Now, we have privileges to view assignments, to view results of assignment, to create and edit results of assignment. All those things are the privileges, the specific privileges that were granted out to Charles Odo Chiamaka by Chinyere. Now, we have other ones here, but this ones has been deactivated. This one was granted to Ali Dayo for recording of exam results. Now, that is that for that. Then we can continue by, we can actually check the ones that are active. That is, we always show this one. Then the ones that are not active, it will not show this one and show the remaining four. Then that is that. We can go back to the interface whereby you can create more privileges. And thank you for checking out this tutorial. We'll look forward to seeing you in next tutorial, and make sure your school is signed up on our scholars.